Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about financial concept that can be a bit confusing, but yeah, it is really interesting, that is option trading. So let's discuss the amazing topic, what are options? Options are like making a deal where you get the choice to either buy or sell something like a stock or a video game at a certain price in the future. Somehow, people use options to make bets, or we can say that making prediction on whether prices will go up or down to protect their investment or to generate extra money. Just remember, it can be a bit tricky, so it's important to learn more about it before you start. Further, options are of two types, call option and put option. Call options gave you the right to buy something like a stock at a certain price. Put option gave you the right to sell something at a certain price. As we continue, let us discuss why we use option. Well, options can be used for different reasons like speculation, hedging, generating income. In speculation, you can make prediction on whether the price of something will go up by using call option or down by using put options. In hedging, options can also be used to protect your investment from unexpected price movements. In generating income, some traders are using options to generate extra income. Another question came out, how options are work? Let's break it down further. Imagine you have a favorite video game that you think will become really popular. You could buy a call option for it. This gives you the option to buy the game at today's price even if it is become more expensive later. So in a nutshell, option trading is like having a special power to buy or sell something in the future at a set price. It's important to remember that option can be a bit complex, so always do your research and consider your risk tolerance. Thank you. If you really like the video, please hit that like and subscribe button. Till then, signing off.